Hey guys, can you see how fluffy that is? At this point, if you have not started baking for your family, you're missing out on something special. Baking can be really interesting and I'll show you on this channel. Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this soft, buttery, fluffy vanilla cake without an oven or mixer. Let's get right into the video. Since we'll be making a butter vanilla cake, the first thing we'll need is butter. So go ahead to pour in your butter or margarine into your bowl. Since we are not going to be using an electric mixer for this recipe, we have to work with the hands. Go ahead to whisk your butter. I love this step because it helps soften your butter. When that is done, now it's time to add your sugar. Do not worry about the measurements. Everything will be listed in the description box. So proceed to cream both your sugar and butter together. This is where the work is, in the creaming and the mixing. This step might take a few minutes. That's if you're mixing it properly. Just do this very well and in no time you will get your desired texture. Guys, in the process of mixing, my mixer gave up on me. Thank goodness I had an extra one at home. If you look closely, you will notice the color change and also the change in texture. That is exactly how you want yours to be looking like before you add your eggs. It needs to be light and fluffy, just like this. If your mixture is looking like this, go ahead to add your eggs. The eggs have to be added one at a time. Please don't add everything at once. Adding them separately and then mixing after each addition would actually help everything combine very smoothly. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, do well to give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Subscription is totally free. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back to watch. It actually means a lot to me. Don't forget to put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new amazing video like this. So basically you keep adding your eggs one after another and mixing immediately after. Now the next thing to do is to add the rest of your wet ingredients. Now you go in with about a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. You add it into the mixture. So next you sift the flour. I went on to use about 2.5 cups for this recipe. Of course, the importance of sifting your flour cannot be overemphasized. Apart from breaking up clumps and removing impurities, sifting your flour erases the powder for a lighter, fluffier texture. When you're done sifting your flour, go ahead to add about a teaspoon of baking powder and then some salt, about a pinch of salt. Now sieve that. I had to use a spoon to help me with the process. Now proceed to mix up everything together, both the dry and wet ingredients. As you can see, our batter is quite thick. Do not bother because there is a cup of milk by the side that will loosen this up for us. So go ahead to pour it now and then properly mix this together. Make sure not to over mix. Just mix gently, enough to make a smooth batter. Next, add your butter or oil and properly grease your baking pan. The necessity of this step is actually to help the cake come out easily from the baking pan after baking. So go ahead to gently pour in your cake batter into the pan. Now tap the baking pan lightly to remove air bubbles. Now in a big pot like this, pour in your salt. The reason mine is like this is because I've used this for a while. That is why it's this color. Place a rack or stand right inside the pot. Cover the pot to preheat for some time. 5 to 10 minutes on low heat is perfect. Carefully place the pan into the preheated pot. Cover it to bake for 40 to 50 minutes. Of course, on a low heat. I checked it off camera before and it wasn't ready. You can see the toothpick marks. But right now, I checked again and you can see that the toothpick came out clean. So that means our cake is ready. So guys, you can see that you can bake your own vanilla cake without any kind of oven or mixer. Take a look at this soft, fluffy, delicious goodness. This recipe is so easy and satisfying. So what are you waiting for? Go and make your own vanilla cake and enjoy with your family. Let me know in the comments if this butter vanilla cake recipe is something that you can try. I'll actually love to read your feedbacks and your comments. Thanks a lot guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.